particular demo site, located in southwest of Bangalore, is a result of cohesive collaboration between Aishan and Sri Bhagyalakshmi Farms, Bangalore. Spearheaded by Aishan's Life and Utilities Department, the biogas power generation project is the first of its kind in India to successfully demonstrate a fully functioning model of power generation from biogas using advanced and state-of-the-art Aishan proprietary Corimo power generators.
Welcome, Aishan SPL, small biogas generation system.
Countries like India, import of crude oil has to be decreased, greenhouse emission has to be decreased, whereas renewable energy has to be increased. Aishan biogas power generation system is one among the several systems to generate electricity and organic fertilizer from organic waste throughout the year, irrespective of sunny, night, day, wind, rainy.
While the functional know-how and technological expertise is imparted by Aishan's team, the daily consumables and local support is extended by Sri Bhagyalakshmi Farms, which owns a 200-cow dairy farm within. The collected cow dung is transported to the mixing chamber using a pushcart by local workers. After unloading into the mixing chamber, the cow dung is mixed with equal quantities of water in a 1-to-1 ratio. To ensure efficient and high-quality fermentation inside the biodigester, the substrate is mixed thoroughly, avoiding formation of lumps. Finally, unwanted elements such as hay straws are removed from the substrate before it is let into the inlet chamber. The mixture of cow dung mixed with water flows from the inlet chamber into the biodigester, where anaerobic fermentation occurs, due to which biogas is released from the substrate. The digester shown in the video is a floating dome type digester. The bottom part of the digester is beneath the ground and holds the cow dung mixture. The top dome holds the biogas formed due to the anaerobic digestion. The other side of the digester is the sludge chamber, which holds the liquid slurry coming out of the digester after fermentation. The biogas held in the top dome of the digester flows through the yellow-colored pipes. Any moisture accumulated in the biogas is removed periodically with the help of moisture traps. The biogas further flows into the main distribution header, where two separate pipelines transport the biogas for electricity generation and cooking purposes respectively. The main pipeline carries the biogas for electrification purposes, where it flows through desulfurizer for the removal of sulfur in the form of hydrogen sulfide before feeding into Aishan biogas generators. The Aishan biogas generators, named Corimo, are built using Japanese technology that can function 24/7. Generating continuous electricity. The generated power is then supplied to a main supply board from where the electricity is distributed for several dairy farms' needs. As part of the R&D project, a control room has been set up to monitor and assess various technical parameters that are critical for Aishin. This screen displays the key research parameters which are recorded during the entire process. These indicators display the amount of electricity generated in real time. The generated electricity is used in several areas such as dairy equipment, milking machines, control room and lighting for the dairy farm.
This biogas power generation system will generate electricity of 1.5 units every 1 hour with 1 meter cube of biogas. With this power, if we connect DC appliances, we can connect 1.5 ton air conditioner, fan, refrigerator, water pump, etc.
Nagaraj from Bhagleshmi Farms. We're happy with the Asian collaboration. They're past 1 year, they're doing a good job. Power quality is very good, and it is useful for the rural dairy farm people for the lighting purpose, and we're happy with this project.
Aishin engine can run 24/7. It is a low maintenance, low decibel engine which can run up to 32,000 hours.
As part of thermal application, the biogas is also supplied to the local residents for daily cooking and heating purposes.
ಒಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಕಷ್ಟ ಐತ್ರಿ, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮನೆ ಸುಲಭ ಆಗೈತ್ರಿ, ಕೆಲಸ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಆಗ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ, ನಾವು ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದು ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಚಾಲೂ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ, ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ, ಇವಾಗ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ರಿ, ಸುಲಭ ಐತ್ರಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ರೀ, ಅವಾಗ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಒಲೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೆಂಕಿ ಆಡ್ತಾರ, ಹೊಗೆ ಹತ್ತದ ಹತ್ಕೋತ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಅವರು.
The output from the biodigester gets collected in this sludge chamber. The slurry is mainly in the liquid form. However, this liquid slurry is pumped into a solid liquid separator, which separates the solid particles from liquid. And this solid compost is bagged up and further used as organic fertilizer by the farmers.
Operating this biogas plant is very simple. We need cow dung and water only. Since these are available in dairy farm, we have been continuously generating electricity and biogas.
Aishin biogas generation system support rural household and dairy farmer producing on electric, cooking gas and organic manure.
This purpose-built R&D project, backed by Japanese company Aishin, demonstrates the full conversion of waste into energy. That is, cow dung is converted into biogas, and then biogas into electricity, and the remaining slurry gets converted into an organic compost.
Central and state government should encourage to install these kind of systems to generate electricity from animal and food waste. This system is self-dependent and to decrease the pollution drastically in the coming years.
Aishan Biogas power generation system is best suitable for dairy farms with cattle population of 60 to 200. Apart from continuous electricity, the users of Aishan's system also benefit from biogas for cooking and organic fertilizer for their crops. Aishan's biogas system provides self-dependence for electricity and provides a cleaner technology by reducing carbon emissions to the environment.